Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to convert small letters to capital letters and how to convert capital letters to small letters using string functions in Excel. So I do have a one data over here. I will show you. So there is a data over here and we need to convert to these to the capital letters. Now everything it is like one it is capital letters, one is small letters, and again it is if you see in the last it is also it's like look capital letters. We need to convert everything to the capital letters. For that we do have a function called in Excel upper. So put the equal and type upper and select the text which you want to convert to the capital letters. So it is got converted to the capital letters. And the similar way we do have a one more option if you want to convert to the lower. So like small letters we do have a called lower function. So if you use lower, so whatever the text is there everything it will go to the small letters. Let me press and select the text. It just I'm hitting enter, so it is converted to the smaller letters. The similar way, if you want like a proper format, here on the first letter it should be like capital and remaining everything should be like smaller letters. For that we do have a like proper. So let me use a proper. Just after the proper, just give the text which you want to convert to the proper. So now we can see that there is a proper formats. So let me select the three of them and let me drag down till over there down. So as you can see everything is got converted. It is like smaller letter here it is smaller and again here capital and again you can see that there is a proper format. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to everyone.